Liz Wanless, Associate Professor, Director of the Sports Innovation Institute, stands in front of a high-tech blue display.
In my current profession now, I am absolutely a heat-seeking missile for competitive advantage for my students.
White text over footage of students talking, high-tech visualizations of sports fields. Big Data Bowl. The NFL's annual analytics competition, where students and professionals use data to rethink football strategy, performance and safety. It's a unique chance for students to network with industry leaders, gain hands-on experience, and shape the future of the game. Anurag Reddy, Luddy M.S. Applied Data Science, Sport Analytics Specialization.
I applied to Luddy School because I also have one of my friends, and he actually gave me a lot of insights about the professors here. They really get the students into the industry. I got involved in Data Bowl for my passion and interest towards the football, and the best way to learn the game is to step my foot into the competition.
I hope the students will find multifaceted benefits from this. Working with a team, collaborating with analytics professionals, the skills developed through a case competition like this, I hope that raises their level.
Footage of the exterior of Luddy School of Information, Computing, and Engineering.
So the practical experience here at Indianapolis, like Data Bowl and curriculum, has prepared me to excel in the sports analytics field. IU has the very best professors. They really make sure that you never empty out your fuel for your passion.
A digital representation of sports data, orange and blue dots crowd informations on a green background, like a football field. Text and logo. Indiana University, Indianapolis.